Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Life Reviewed. My name is Deb and I hope you guys are doing alright. And today we are back with another unboxing video. This is another gaming mouse that we have here. This is the Esports GM200W optical gaming mouse. This is one of the cheapest mouse available in the market right now. This costs around 340 and you can get it for around 300 during the sale period. So let me tell you a bit about that. This has optical sensor. The highest DPI of that is 3200 DPI. This has RGB backlighting, rubber coating. Okay, let me show you. Its compatibility is Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, Mac OS, and Linux is also that is mentioned in the site but not here. Yeah, this is again the website design. Product feature: it has 7 buttons, 1.5 meter braided cable. Polling rate is 125 Hz, not that much, but it is okay at this price range. This is one of the cheapest mouse, we cannot complain. Frame rate is 4000 fps, that's quite good if it is true. Switchable multicolor LED. DPI support 4 modes of DPI. It goes from 800 to 1600 to 2400 to 3200. That's quite good, I would say. Lightweight, yeah, black rubber finish, okay. And this is made in China and the MRP of this is 999, of course. So let's go ahead to the unboxing. So we have the mouse and a few paperwork. Okay, there's quite a few. Normally it's just one. Okay, and esports #gaming unlimited. Okay, something what you have, years of research. Yeah, some message from the director of sales. Okay, that is the same thing they have given 2 of this. Yeah, okay, that's sloppy. Warranty card, user manual, let's see. Okay, simple enough. And a code, 1000 rupees code for World of Warships. Okay, they have some affiliation, I guess. Coming to the mouse itself. That is the mouse. Yeah, quite a handful, I would say. This will be good for palm grip. This has quite a heft in the middle. So this has 7 buttons, so left, right. This has 2 DPI adjust buttons, so that's not very common. Usually we have 2, just 1. This is the scroll wheel. It has a nice texture for grip and 2 forward and backward buttons. And so these are 7 buttons plus 1 with this the third wheel button, so 8 buttons. This is the bottom. Nice feet it has. Yeah, not Teflon, I guess. You can't expect that at this price point. The finishing of this is rubber. This is a rubberized for good grip, and this is plastic here. The cable is 1.5 meter and this is braided, so I would say at this price point that's nice. This also has an EMI suppressor, magnetic ring. I'm not sure if it actually works in this price range or it's just for show, but it is there. And this is the USB, quite big. That's nice. Let me weigh this, because since it is being marketed as a gaming mouse, the weight of this is very important. Gaming mouse should weigh light. 94, and with the cable 114. Not that light. If you have seen my other mouse unboxings, you will see that these are usually 80 to 90 grams. So yeah, let me turn off the lights and show you the RGB of this. So guys, I have turned off the lights to give you a better look at this. So this has 7 breathing lights, as you can see. This has a ribbon at the bottom for the lights, and there is a World of Warship branding here through which the light is it comes out, and little bit of light is also coming out through the scroll wheel. Let me see if the light changes while we change the DPI. Usually it should. It does. It blinks when you change the DPI. So yeah. So that's we have topped out, and this when you come down, this is, yeah, this is the 4. Okay. So we saw the light for this, and also I'd like to add that the lifespan of this is 5 million clicks for these buttons, and 3 million scroll clicks for this scroll wheel. So all in all, it gives a good impression. To know more about this, how it performs, I'll be reviewing it very soon. Stay tuned for that, and I hope you like this video. If you did, like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, check out one of our latest videos here. Goodbye and take care.